Hi guys, let's make a bhaji. For that, let's make the batter first. You need chana flour or besan, rice flour, chili powder, salt and hing. Let me add it. I'm going to add 4 cups of besan and 2 cups of rice flour. Let's add chili powder according to your spice level, salt, and hing, little bit of hing. Mix it nicely. There should not be any lumps, so use your hands. So now you can add water. I have mixed it. It should be in this thickness. It should not be too watery and it should not be too thick. Now let's cut the vegetables. I'm going to make onion, potato and green pepper bhaji. So let's slice the onion. You should slice it in circles. Like this. Mix the green pepper. You can make it into squares. Then potato, again make it into circles, not too thin and not too thick. See, this is the thickness you need for the potatoes. And onions and green pepper, I have squared it. Now we are going to deep fry. So I have kept the oil and let it get nice. The oil should be really hot. The oil is hot. Now let's make the potato first, because the potato may turn black if you leave it longer. So just first make the potato, dip it, coat it nicely. So you should coat it like this. Take it, coat it nicely, coat it all over, then keep it in medium flame. I haven't flipped it yet, so just leave it there for at least for 1 or 2 minutes. Now you can start slowly flipping it. It's done. Should be golden brown. Next, let's make the onion. Same way you dip it. You can make it into rings like this also. Like this. See? So this is also done. See? Nice and golden brown. Can remove it. So next I'm going to make the green pepper bhaji. So same similar way, just dip it, take it, coat it nicely all over. Add it. Don't flip it. So any bhaji, you after you put it, do not flip it for at least for 2 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to flip it. Comes really good if you don't flip it immediately. It's done. Now we take it out. So this is the jalapeno pepper. So I have cut it and I have seeded it. Like take off all the seeds so that it's not it will not be spicy. You can make with any pepper, if you like spicy peppers, if you can handle it, you can try any of the. Then buy the chili peppers. See, cut it lengthwise and I have taken out all the seeds of the pepper. So similarly, same way you coat it. Add it. So let's flip it. So this is the bhaji. This is the potato one, potato, onion, green pepper, and this is the jalapeno pepper bhaji. Let me taste it. That was the potato one. And now let me taste the onion. This is the green pepper. And this is the jalapeno pepper. Everything is very tasty, and all that missing is the hot chai. And I also have that